In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate video creation with Google Vids. Creating a video from scratch requires effort, creativity, and sometimes a bit of technical know-how. But what if I told you that you could automate much of this process using a popular and accessible tool? That's right, Google Vids offers a way to automatically generate videos based on a topic of your choice. Let's dive into how you can harness this fantastic feature for your next project. First things first, navigate your browser to Google Vids. This platform is a part of the Google Workspace family, offering a variety of tools for content creation, collaboration, and more. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one where you'd prefer your video project to be stored. After you've successfully signed in, your next step involves diving straight into the creative process. Look for the File option in the upper navigation menu. Clicking on this will present you with various choices, but what you're interested in is the New Video option. This is where the magic begins. Clicking New Video will prompt you to type in your topic. This can be anything from the history of the internet to how plants communicate. Type in whatever subject you're passionate about or need to create a video for. Once you've input your topic, Google Vids will ask you to click Next. This step initiates the platform's search through related content and templates that could form the basis of your video. Upon proceeding, you'll be presented with different arrangements. This is your opportunity to tweak the initial layout, whether it's rearranging the text placements, choosing different color schemes, or selecting unique fonts. This step is crucial in making sure the video aligns with your visual preferences. After fine-tuning the arrangement, click Next to proceed to the design selection phase. Here, Google Vids will recommend several design themes that complement your video's content and mood. From minimalist designs to something more vibrant and eye-catching, select a design that best represents the message you are trying to convey. Lastly, with your chosen design theme, you are just one step away from witnessing your automated video come to life. The Create the Draft Video option is your final click in this automated process. Google Vids takes everything you've input and selected, then stitches it all together into a draft video. This draft video isn't the final product though. You now have a foundation to build on. You can further edit this draft by adding your touch, be it additional text, images, or tweaking the narration. Google Vids simplifies video creation, but your creativity in the editing phase can truly make it unique and tailored to your needs or brand. Here are some additional tips to enhance your video creation process. With Google Vids, 1. Asterisk asterisk. Explore various design themes. Asterisk asterisk. Even if the first design seems to fit well, exploring all available options can inspire a different creative direction or better match your content's tone. 2. Asterisk asterisk. Be precise with your topic. Asterisk asterisk. The clarity of your initial topic choice can greatly influence the relevance of suggested layouts and designs. A vague topic might yield less targeted results. 3. Asterisk asterisk. Fine-tune the draft. Asterisk asterisk. The automated video is just a starting point. Adding personalized touches will distinguish your video and fully harness the capability of Google Vids. 4. Asterisk asterisk leverage Google Workspace integration. Asterisk asterisk. If you're working within the Google ecosystem, take advantage of seamless integration with other tools like Google Drive and Docs for a smoother workflow. Automating video creation with Google Vids opens up a realm of possibilities for content creators, educators, marketers, and anyone in need of video content. It streamlines the demanding process of video production without compromising on quality or creativity. So, give it a try for your next video project and discover just how easy and fun video creation can be. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into Google Vids and start bringing your creative visions to life with just a few clicks. Happy video making!